So the good news is that I got the Pixel Watch LTE for free with the purchase of the Pixel 7 Pro. We're talking about $400 plus minus savings here. Well, you don't really save money when you spend money, but you get my drift, right? First thing you will notice is that the Pixel Watch is really, really small. For me, that is when you look at Google's marketing pictures, you can see small wrists and small hands, but for me, it is too small. Hang on though, hang on. It may be different for you though. So when you open it up, the charger is included and you turn your Pixel Watch on by simply putting it on a charger, or you press the button. You will automatically be prompted to download the Pixel Watch app on your phone, and all goes automatically from there on. You can choose your desired apps to download. You can set up Google Pay, you name it, Google Assistant, until you reach the LTE setup. Now your telecom carrier will provide you with an eSIM plan, and whether that is a companion plan to your existing phone or a new plan, it is probably something you have to look into, or maybe have to pay for that. I don't, it is included, but in order to activate all of your eSIM or your Pixel Watch LTE, you will need a QR code, and you will receive that QR code from your telecom carrier. Once you have that QR code, all you need to do is take your phone during the setup, when it basically comes to the LTE setup, scan, and then it will do the rest. Your eSIM profile will be downloaded to the Pixel Watch, and you are good to go. You have some settings available like data alarm, or you can even turn on enhanced 4G LTE mode in order to get the best speed or the most speed out of your Pixel Watch. Now here's the thing. When I started using the Pixel Watch, I was not impressed. It felt all choppy, and I'm sorry to say, but the touch input was not great. It was choppy. Like I tried and tried, but nothing happened. I kept touching the screen, the small screen of the Pixel Watch, but no, it didn't work. And then putting in my PIN number, basically the PIN number is required in order to use Google Pay. When you set up Google Pay and you put your Pixel Watch on the wrist or any Wear OS watch, you have to put in your PIN number. I have fairly large hands and fairly large fingers, so that is really a pain in the bottom for me, that is. Moving on to Google Maps, I wanted to see what apps we can use and how it really responds, and it took forever to load Google Maps. I mean, I got there at the end, but again, with Wear OS, we will not be able to navigate with the Pixel Watch as a standalone device, which means you have to have your phone with you in order to navigate anywhere. And we've seen this on the Galaxy Watch 4 and 5 already. Another use case for any LTE watch, the Pixel Watch LTE in this case, is really like streaming music, and I use Spotify, but then I tried to connect my Pixel Buds Pro. Ouch. It took a very long time to use them, and I tried over and over again, but at the end, I mean, I got there at the end, but the experience would probably be talking about 10 minutes here for the entire setup just to connect the Pixel Buds Pro. What is also interesting and slow is the time in which your watch, the Pixel Watch, will boot up. I timed it. In order to get your Pixel Watch going, you'll be able to use it. It takes 1 minute and 28 seconds. Look, so far I'm not sold on the Pixel Watch. I mean, if you get it for free like I did, it may be a different story and you may like it, but stay tuned for an extensive battery test and everything else you will need to know for the Pixel Watch LTE. Peace.